Students, lesson 1 continues. In this video, we will do MCQs. Question number 1. The author of the book titled Process of Government is. Process of Government is a book written by Arthur Bentley. We know that in revolutionized the term political system, David Easton played the vital role. So his book was Political System. And Robert A. Dahl and Planchley's book have not been mentioned in our chapter. And we know that Human Nature in Politics is written by Graham Wallace and Arthur Bentley wrote The Process of Government. So answer is C. Hopefully it is clear to you. If there is anything that you don't understand, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Let's move to the next question. Next question is, system is a whole which is compounded of many parts, which is comprised of many parts. Whose statement is this? System is a whole which is compounded of many parts or comprised of many parts. And we know that this statement is by Colin Cherry, because in our book we know that Robert A. Dahl has given definition about the power, rule, authority. That is, the political system is a persistent pattern of human relationship that involves to a significant extent power, rules, and authority. We also know that Almond and Powell has given a definition that says, when we speak of political system, we include all interactions which affect the use of or threat of legitimate coercion. So Robert A. Dahl and Almond and Powell are not the speaker of this statement, and Max Weber has given certain other statement. He says legitimate physical coercion. He talks about legitimate physical coercive power. So here, the system is whole which is compounded of many parts is said by Colin Cherry. The answer is D. Let us move to the next part of the question. Next question is third question. Political system is any persistent pattern of human relationship that involves to a significant extent power, rule, authority. Whose statement is that? Power, rules, authority. In the previous question, I had said that this was said by Robert A. Dahl. If you remember, Robert A. Dahl. It is the definition given by Robert A. Dahl. David Easton says political system is set of interactions abstracted from the totality of social behavior. So it is not David Easton, even it is not Max Weber, and it is not Beer and Ulema. Beer and Ulema's definition is quite large. It says political system is a structure that performs certain functions for society. It includes an arrangement for having decision. Through the political system, goals for the society are defined and carried out by legitimate policy decisions. So it is not even Beer and Ulma. So this definition or statement is of Robert A. Dahl. Let's move to the next question. Next question is, which of the following is not the characteristic of political system? It means one is not and the rest are the characteristics of political system. First is persistent pattern of human relationship. It is the use of legitimate power. Yes, political system uses the legitimate power. Only political system has the power to use coercive force. Then absence of boundaries. It is it is there are certain boundaries, right, of political system. There are certain boundaries of political system, but absence of boundaries is not exactly the correct, so we will cross it out. And the mixed character of political system, yeah, it is right. So these three where I have put tick mark of right is the characteristics of political systems, or are the characteristics of political system. But the this one C I have crossed, it is false, so our answer is C, false, right, or not correct. So our answer will be C. Is it clear? Thank you. Let's move to the next question. Which of the following is the characteristics of political system? Here, three are not the characteristics of political system, and one is, right? So three will be wrong and one will be right. Let us see. Equal distribution of political resources. That's wrong. There is not equal distribution. Okay. Then we have equal distribution of political influence. It is also not related to the question asked. Then multifunctionality of political structure. Yeah, political structure act in a many ways, right? All political structures have its multifunctionality. Absence of boundaries, it is also wrong. So which of the following is the characteristics of political system? It is again the C, multifunctionality of political structure. Hopefully it is clear. Let us move to the next question. Okay, next question is, which of the following is output function of political system according to David Stern? We know that political system performs two functions, input functions and the output functions. And which of the following is output function? It means there is only one function, that is output function, and three will be some other function. Demand for regulation of behavior, it is input function. Demand for communication information, this is input function. Demand for participation in political system, this is also input function. And to regulate the behavior, it is output function. So answer is D. Our answer is D. D, to regulate the behavior. Let's move to the next question. Question number 7. Which of the following is not the output function of political system according to David Stern? Not the output function. To regulate the behavior is output function. Allocation of goods and services is an output function. Proclaim of policies and objectives, it is also an output function. Protection of the boundaries of the state is not output function. So answer is D. Let's move to the next question. That is question number 8. Which of the following is not a difference between the state and the political system? It means one is not the difference and three are the differences. Nature of the state and political system is same. This is wrong. Difference in their constituent elements, right? Difference in their boundaries, right? All the statements are alike, but not the political systems. So this doesn't match here. So answer is A. A, the nature of the state and political system is the same. Let us move to the next question. Question is question number 10. Who made the use of the term precursor system for the first time? We know that exactly the answer is David Easton. He did it in his book Precursor System in 1953. So answer is D. Next, when the book titled Precursor System was written by David Easton was published for the first time. So the answer we know that is 1953. I have repeated several times. So it is B, 1953. The video is of 10 minutes now. I'll not include in it the fill in the blanks. It will be done in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Best wishes.